Thomas weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
On this cold Friday morning with temperatures outside dropping like a rock, here's my house this morning with a roaring fire going in the fireplace there. Kind of a Currier and Ives view. Good morning, everybody.
It is Friday morning, Christmas Eve, December 23rd. Time as I make this is 3:52 a.m. In Montgomery, Alabama. It was 52 degrees at midnight with winds gusting to 35 miles per hour. That was midnight. At 3:15 this morning, we got to freezing. So it took 3 hours and 15 minutes to drop from 52 to 32. How about that? And of course, we're still dropping like a rock. And by morning, temperatures will be around 19 or 20. Wind chill factor is right around 5. Hi, that's the way my story starts as we talk about this Arctic blast that you and I really started talking about 3 weeks ago. And here it is. It's happening right now. And it's going to be extreme cold today. How cold? Well, even the Montgomery City and County offices are closed today because of extreme cold. Many events are being canceled around the area. This is, at least we don't have to deal with snow and ice, right? Just cold. Today's high temperature may only reach 28 with wind chills even this afternoon only in the teens. Tonight we're headed for 13 degrees. And I think that'll be right around dawn on Saturday morning, Christmas Eve, with wind chill factors perhaps 2 below zero at that time. And we're looking for a very cold Christmas, the coldest since 1989, with temperatures starting off in the mid-teens and ending up maybe 37, 38 for a high. After 77 last year, right? And the Christmas I covered for you back in 2016 was 82 degrees. I've covered your coldest Christmas and your warmest Christmas. The coldest was 5 degrees in 1983. We covered tornadoes in 2012 and the flooding in 2015 and the snow in 2010. Anyway, that's your forecast discussion as we look at Christmas weekend. I think the best news is, and you're going to see in the blog update below, that 10-day graph is my favorite graph in the whole blog update because it shows a major warming trend later on next week as we get towards the end of the year and the beginning of next year with temperatures in the upper 60s to maybe near 70, but also maybe a storm system as well. It's all below. This morning, Greg's gone. He's on his way to Florida, or he will be shortly. But we are live on the radio 6 to 9 on Newstalk 93.1. It's Jay and Rosie and Rich this morning, and we'll be live on TV as well on CBS 8 and ABC 32. There will be blog updates for you tomorrow, Saturday, and also Sunday, Christmas Day, every day of the year, and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Chase is right there. The loud crackling fire kind of freaks him out sometimes. Have a good day. See you later. Stay warm.
Hey, check out the crock pot full of vegetable beef soup that I cooked up yesterday. It cooked over 10 hours. Oh, my mom would be so proud. It's great comfort food during an Arctic blast. You know what I mean? Stay on top of this extreme Arctic cold blast by downloading our free weather app. It's really got some great stuff with push notifications for severe weather alerts, including the fact that we are under a hard freeze warning and a wind chill advisory. Plus, you get hourly forecasts, 10-day forecasts, radar, future radar, all kinds of great stuff, plus access to the blog and the videos as well. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. It's going to be very helpful during this Arctic blast.
Rich Thomas weather.